So I'm gonna have you come over here. I think the hardest thing is getting on and off. But wait. So you're gonna come in from the back. You're gonna come into this position.
Okay.
Now what'll happen is, as these pedals go down, see how the seat comes up, right? First just come into position. Now you had
I better come around this way.
both knees replaced,
Yes,
and then you had the patellar tendon ruptures.
right.
How long ago was that?
Oh, been about 9 years.
Okay. Stay right where you are. So just because I like to be a little bit cautious. All right, so what I did was I brought the seat behind you. Go ahead and sit down. I just want you to kind of get a feel.
Oh, yeah.
That's as low as it can go.
Okay.
Cannot go any lower than that. Okay, so stand back
Because
up.
you raised it and you must have locked it.
Well, I put a seat behind it, so it kind of blocks
Okay.
how low. So go ahead and stand back up for me. You can grab on. Yep.
One
Take
more
your time.
All right.
Okay.
I have to launch.
That's all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that pedal down. You're going to feel the seat come up behind you.
Uh-huh.
Grab the handles anywhere you want. Can you put one foot on the pedal? Okay, as that foot goes down, that seat's coming up. I want you to get solid. Don't let it go down. I want you to keep that there. There we go. Kind of like you're skiing.
Oh, then we're really in trouble.
Okay, so you're going to slowly descend. Let the knees bend. And then pull up. And as you get comfortable with it, we'll go a little bit lower, a little bit lower, a little bit lower, until you can't go any lower. And you were sitting there, but
Will
let's
this
see.
strengthen my back? Because
I think it
feeling
will.
in my back.
Yes, it's going to strengthen the back, it's going to stretch the back, it's going to strengthen the quads, the hamstrings, the glutes. But most importantly, you know, for you, this is a brand new. You've never done anything like this. So this is going to be a new stimulus for the muscles. You've been riding the bike, you've been doing all the other stuff. Let's do like 10 more and then we're done for today. And then obviously from a knee perspective, so as she goes down, we're getting the knee flexion. But what do you feel working the most? Your back?
Wait a minute. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's so weak. I feel like I have to pull myself up with my arms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we get upper back, we get lower back, we get arms, we get legs. Okay. Whichever foot you want to take off first, remember the other foot is what's holding you up.
Okay.
So when you're ready, we'll put one foot off and then the other foot. And then you just stand. I'm going to put that seat down. I'm going to get that chair out of your way. And really, you can just back off it. Like this transition is still the challenging transition.
Sure.
Come on back. We're getting away from it.
I just don't want to trip.
I agree.
Grace personified.
All right, and is it okay if I share this video with
Sure.
the world?
Sure.
Okay. All right, you're finished. Thank you.
Thank